What up? What up? This is Zeb, the business coach, business credit expert, personal credit specialist. I love helping business owners solve complex problems. Even if you're not a business owner, I want to help you solve a problem. If you don't know me, just watch some of my videos. You will get to know me. I'm a very generous person, but I also like to do complicated things. If you have been struggling with your credit or writing a perfect dispute letter, I have some gems today that will blow your mind, and I'm giving you something else. So let's go into something real quick. If you all haven't heard of ChatGPT, let's get into ChatGPT. So I hope you all are catching it. Let's get into this now. So I just sent in a prompt. You could type anything in here. This can be used for more than just credit, but I like to help you with the prompts and what you should say. So the typical person will go here and say, help me write a credit dispute letter. And it will help you write one. Very articulate, like very simple stuff. It tell you the inaccurate information, you gotta list it, blah, blah, blah. All that. This is great. But let's get into the nitty gritty. Help me write credit dispute letter. Wow. So look at this, you all. Help me. My bad. I put charge off. My bad. Help me write a credit dispute letter for a charge off that is reporting on my credit. You can do typos, so it don't matter. It's so smart, it will help you out. That is reporting on my credit inaccurate with Experian. I have tried to dispute it previously, but it's showing. No, I'm not gonna put original creditor because charge I can have an original creditor, got to be a collection. So my bad. It is showing no close date. Also, you gotta know how to read the reports. And here go a letter catered to that. So they're gonna give you Experian information. I advise you to look this up, make sure this is accurate because they do change PO boxes and addresses. Okay, the subject. Dispute of inaccurate charge-off information on my credit report. Dear Experian Dispute Department, I am writing to dispute the accuracy of the information on my Experian credit report. Significantly, I am concerned about the entry related to a charge-off that appears on my credit report. I have previously attempted to dispute this entry without resolution, and it remains inaccurately reported. Below are the details of the inaccurate charge-off information. Then you'll list everything. There you go. Simple as that. And then it's going to tell you enclosed, you can find the following documents. So if you have supporting documents, you need to include them. So this is giving you the prompts, also telling you everything you should do. Like, it don't get no better than ChatGPT. And if you want to better your credit, I do have a free credit repair seminar you all can sit through and learn this. And we also have an ebook you can buy with all the prompts. Go get it, y'all.